Hello friends, Staff Selection Commission has given a notification for conducting the examination for the post of constables in general duty in Central Armed Police Forces, NIA, SSF and for the post of rifleman in Assam Rifles. The total number of vacancies for this post are 25,271. The last date for application is 31st August 2021 and the educational qualification required to appear for these examinations is 10th pass. As you can see, the details of the vacancies are as follows. As you can see, there is a reservation for males and females under different categories like SC, ST, OBC, EWS and unreserved category for different disciplines like BSF, CISF, CRPF, SSB, ITBP, AR, NIA and SSF, and altogether there are total 25,271 vacancies. The age limit for this examination is minimum 18 years and maximum 23 years as on 1st August 2021. Candidates should not have been born earlier than 2nd August 1998 and later than 1st August 2003. The age relaxation for this particular exams is as follows. For SC and ST category people, the age relaxation is 5 years. For OBC people, it's 3 years. For ex-servicemen, it's 3 years after deduction of the military service rendered from the actual age as on the date of reckoning. For the unreserved category, children and dependent of victims killed in the 1984 riots or communal riots of 2002 in Gujarat, the relaxation is 5 years. For children and dependent of victims killed in the 1984 riots or communal riots of 2002 in Gujarat, for OBC category is 8 years. And for children and dependent of victims killed in the 1984 riots or communal riots of 2002 in Gujarat, for SC and ST categories, the relaxation is 10 years. The educational qualification required for this examination is matriculation or 10th class pass from a recognized board or university. Candidates who have not acquired the essential educational qualification as on 1st August 2021 will not be eligible and shouldn't apply for the examination. The pay scale for this post is pay level 3 starting from 21,700 and maximum 69,100. The application fee for this examination is 100 rupees, which is made through SBI Challan or online payment mode using SBI Net Banking or credit card or debit card. There is no fee for all women and SC, ST and ex-servicemen candidates. The selection procedure for this post comprises of 4 steps. The first is the computer-based examination in English and Hindi. Then another is physical efficiency test. The next is physical standard test and the medical examination. So the scheme of examination is the computer-based examination consisting of one objective type paper containing 100 questions carrying 100 marks. So there are total 4 parts in this question paper. The first part is comprising of general intelligence and reasoning with 25 marks. Then second part having the general knowledge and general awareness subject with 25 marks. Then the third part is comprising of elementary mathematics with 25 marks and the fourth part is English and Hindi with 25 marks, and the total time duration for the examination will be 90 minutes. Then there is the medical examination. Candidates will be shortlisted for detailed medical examination from the pool of candidates who qualify PET or PST. So PET is nothing but physical efficiency test. Candidates have to clear the race within the following time limits under physical efficiency test. So for candidates other than those belonging to Ladakh region, will have to complete 5 kilometers in 24 minutes and the female candidates will have to complete the 1.6 kilometers in 8.5 minutes. For candidates of Ladakh region, the male have to cover 1.6 kilometers in 6.5 minutes and female will have to cover 800 meters in 4 minutes. Then there comes the physical standard test PST. So it comprises of the following. The first one is the height. For male, it requires 170 centimeters of height. For female, it requires 157 centimeters of height. Chest measurement. Male candidates should have following standards of chest measurement. expanded 80 centimeters and minimum expansion 5 centimeters. Then there is the weight category, which should be proportionate to height and age as per medical standards. Then how you can apply for this examination? Applications must be submitted in online mode at the official website of the Commission, that is ssc.nic.in. The process of filling online application for the examination consists of two parts. The first is one-time registration and the second is filling of online application for the examination. For the other details of the online application and everything else, you can go to the website and check the detailed notification. So for the detailed notification for this post, go to the website ssc.nic.in. There in latest news tab, go to the second page or second tab. Here you can see the notification dated 7th July 2021. If you click on this, you can see the detailed notification. So that's it for today, guys. If you find this video useful, please share it among your friends and family and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.